Welcome on YouTube, Ratty the Barber checking in again one more time. Today I'll be doing blade comparison for the Andes T outliner. I'm going to be comparing the GTX blade that I'll be swapping out with the stock blade, so stay tuned for that, yeah? I'm now going to be comparing the stock blade on the cordless T outliner with the GTX blade, which is the modified blade that I choose to put on it. Just a quick look. This one is a stock blade. I get that in focus for you. So a lot of people, they do buy this clipper and complain about it a lot because of the blade that it comes with. It's not really the best blade. In fact, if I would recommend this clipper to you, I'd definitely say get the GTX blade as soon as you purchase this one, because the stock blade, it doesn't cut as well as the GTX simply because of the setting of the tooth. So you can see from the footage here, hopefully, that there's not much space between the teeth of the blade, and that would limit the amount of hair that it would be able to cut at a time. And especially if you're cutting thick hair, it would be really difficult to feed the hair through the teeth of the blade. With this one, with the GTX blade, you will see there's a lot more space in the teeth of the shear to allow you to basically get more hair into the groove of the teeth, so you could actually do more work and faster. And it's very smooth on the skin. It actually says it on the package that this one is for smooth cutting, which you can use for kids, adults, and for anyone basically. So I would definitely recommend getting the GTX. In fact, this is the one I'm using on it. I'm going to change that one. I'll show you in the next video, so stay tuned for that. If you're thinking of getting this clipper, then I definitely recommend you get the GTX blade. Reason being, the price is basically the same. However, I'll just explain one more thing to you so you can understand clearly. This is the GTX blade, but with the original blade for the trimmer, you would get this little bit on the blade. I hope you can see this, but with the original blade you would get this little black piece that attached to the inner blade, and this would technically be the reason why the blade that comes with this specifically would cost £26 roughly, but getting any T outliner blade including the GTX would be roughly £19. So this bit is the only reason why you would pay £26 for that. So if you want to have your whole replacement section, as you can see from the name, you would pay this £6 for this, roughly £6. So I definitely recommend you getting the GTX blade for this clipper. It will make it worth it. So good investment. Okay guys, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment down below and subscribe if you haven't, and we do it again.